Okay, let's go over the theory stuff first. So, not a whole lot here. Just a couple progressions. The main thing, first thing, mode names. Forgot the mode names. I know you've done it over and over again, but man, I'm a big believer of continuing to do it over and over again because it's going to help us just memorize stuff so well. It just helps so much just to continue to do it again and again. Because eventually, I mean, still got a long ways to go to cover all the theory stuff in mind. But eventually, we are going to change things to harmonic minor. And having drilled the heck out of all this stuff, it will help changing everything to the exotic scales. Anyway, let's see here. For the G Mixolydian progression, there is another place I would go for chord number 1. So see if you can figure out another place to play it. Compare the two, see what you prefer. But the way you put it, I mean, yeah, that definitely makes sense. But let's see about the other one. And then also on the last one here, the E Phrygian one. Again, makes sense what you did. Going to... Wait, I need to change this a little bit. It's supposed to be like that. There we go. Yeah, for chord number 2 there. There's another place I would prefer to go. I feel it makes it a little bit easier, but see what you come up with. Compare the two, see what you prefer. And it's always fine if you prefer the original way. I just want you to know about the other option in case you did not consider it yet. And then we'll have, we got the next key ready to go already. Okay, new rhythm. So we have, as usual, kind of a building off of what we just did. So we have the dotted 8th note happening again. And then technically it happens a second time in a row because we have the 16th note tied to the 8th note. So that is the length of dotted 8th note. And then we have the 8th note here. So got the same rhythm happening twice within the same bar. And then, so we got 1 chord and then 2 chords. 1 chord, 2 chords. So fair amount of movement here within the chords. Go strum as much as you can. Here we go. So rhythm 1. And there's a couple ways to count it. Saying the rhythm with the downbeat numbers that you do not play on can really help you lock in to what's supposed to happen, especially because you're supposed to be tapping the foot on those beats. 1, a 2, and 3, a 4, and 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 1, Of course, you can also just say the part of the count or the part of the rhythm that you're actually playing on. Either way, whatever helps you do it best. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, One, two, three, four. Okay. New palm muting. And yeah, going back and forth like that is really difficult. That's why we waited so long to do it. Building up to it. All right, so now we are going to finally start doing some 16th notes. So we are alternate picking this. So yeah, no more 100% downstrokes. Now that we've got the 16th notes involved, we're going to get the alternate picking involved as well. So basically strum this like you normally would. Just make sure you palm mute where it says to palm mute. So for this, all 16th notes are palm muted, and then release the palm mute for all the quarter notes. So here we go. 1 E and a 2, 3 E and a 4. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. All right, so to send in anything early, I think 150 for the first rhythm, just like I went up to for the max, is a good one. It's quite challenging, I feel. And then 180 without the repeats, 180 for this guy. All right, and if you don't reach those speeds, totally fine. Just do the usual, send in the full practice session like you always do. Okay, any questions come up, let me know, and I'll see you again next week.